Welcome to Trinity Health Michigan, a statewide health system spanning from Grand Rapids to Detroit. Our health system is powered by more than 20,000 full-time employees with hundreds of healthcare facilities, including hospitals, outpatient healthcare centers, senior communities, and physician practices across the state. Employment opportunities are abundant. As a mission-based organization, a culture of compassion and excellence is central to our sacred daily work of caring for patients and the communities we serve. When you begin working here, you should know you have a career path with us. You can start here and go anywhere. This video highlights Environmental Services. Environmental Services is a heartbeat of our organization. In this role, you are preparing a safe and comfortable environment for our patients, visitors, and colleagues. You manage the facility's cleanliness and remove barriers to preventing safe care. We cannot conduct safe, efficient patient care without proper environmental services support.
I love everything. A great place to work. You learn a lot. Every day is a new day. The engagement with patients every single day. Teach others. Teach them how to grow. Learn new things. That's what I love about my job. We are in the entry-level department. We are required by policy to be here for 1 year, and after the 1 year you are more than welcome to go anywhere in the hospital. It's totally up to you on what you want to do once you're here. It's an environmental service department. We are the front line. We prevent infections, making sure that we are getting all the high-touch areas every single day. Your light switches, your door handles, your bed rails, disinfecting all those areas. That's how we keep you safe. So another part of our role is to prevent accidents. So of course, if we see a spill, we'll come mop it right away, put a sign on it, anything that we can help to prevent somebody falling. My proudest moment working here is making sure that everybody stays safe, and not only our patients, but of course our staff members, colleagues, visitors, anybody that visits our hospital.
At our organization, you will find state-of-the-art facilities coupled with compassionate and professional teams. We strive to create the very best work environment, which allows you to achieve your personal and professional goals, and more importantly, know that you make a difference. If you're interested in learning more about joining our team, please visit our website. We look forward to connecting with you.